you're staring at your screen again. That number in your bank app hasn't moved. You refresh it, like it might magically breathe. You tell yourself it's fine. You say you'll figure it out. You always say that. Morning comes. Same alarm, same rush, same tired eyes in the mirror that avoid your own. You work. You scroll. You promise you'll start soon. Not today, though. Today was long. You see other people winning. Not richer, not smarter, just moving. And you wonder what they know that you don't. It's not that you're lazy. You think too much for that. You plan too much for that. You want too much for that. But wanting isn't movement. Thinking isn't action. And comfort is very good at pretending it's peace. So you wait for motivation, for the right mood, for the perfect time. Tomorrow sounds responsible. Tomorrow sounds safe. Tomorrow sounds like progress. Tomorrow is a liar. You don't notice it stealing your days because it whispers politely. It tells you to rest, to scroll, to relax, to start fresh later. And later never argues. So weeks pass, then months. And the scariest part isn't failure. It's familiarity. The same chair, the same routine, the same quiet thought you never say out loud. What if this is it? But here's the truth. The system didn't trap you. Your habits did. Not because you're weak, because you're human. And humans repeat what feels safe. Discipline isn't punishment. It's permission. Permission to stop negotiating with your excuses. Permission to prove you can trust yourself. Permission to become someone your old self wouldn't recognize. Discipline is self-respect in motion. It's control when everything around you is loud. It's power that doesn't need applause. It's freedom that doesn't wait for luck. And this is where everything changes. Because the real question was never, why are you still stuck? The real question is, are you actually ready to stop being comfortable where you are?